Hello, hi guys. Today I am here to introduce about Diploma in Pharmacy, otherwise known as DPharm. A heartily happy Ganesh Puja to all. Due to Ganesh Puja, I like to offer a special gratitude to my beloved Bhagavan Ganesha before I start the session.
विनायका विनायका
विनायका विनायका
विनायका विनायका
विनायका विनायका
विघ्न विनाशक विनायका
विनाशक विनायका
विघ्न विनाशक विनायका
विनाशक विनायका
गौरी नंदन हे शिवनंदन
गौरीनन्दन हे शिवनन्दन
गौरी नंदन हे शिवनंदन
गौरीनन्दन हे शिवनन्दन
पार्वती नंदन गजानना
पार्वती नन्दन गजानना
पार्वती नंदन गजानना
पार्वती नन्दन गजानना
मूषिक वाहन गजानना
मूषिकवाहन गजानना
मूषिक वाहन गजानना
मूषिकवाहन गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना
मोदकहस्ता गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना
मोदकहस्ता गजानना
विनायका विनायका
विनायका विनायका
विघ्न विनाशक विनायका
विनाशक विनायका
गौरी नंदन हे शिवनंदन
गौरीनन्दन हे शिवनन्दन
पार्वती नंदन गजानना
पार्वती नन्दन गजानना
मूषिक वाहन गजानना
मूषिकवाहन गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना
मोदकहस्ता गजानना
मोदक हस्ता गजानना
मोदकहस्ता गजानना
विनायका विनायका
Thank you for stay with me. I should go to the next slide. What is pharmacy? Before we know about our topic, what I am here to represent you, we have we all have to know what is the pharmacy. Why one should do pharmacy? Pharmacy is the clinical health science that links medical science with chemistry, and it is charged with the discovery, production, control, disposal, safe, and effective use of medicines and drugs. This is all about pharmacy. Then we go for scope of pharmacy. After you all doing D Pharm or D Pharmacy, what will be the scope for you? First, you can get job at drugstores and government hospital drugstores, and you should go for a own private drugstore. Second, you may get entry level jobs in pharmaceutical companies at various divisions like process control, manufacturing, and quality control, where you should go for the procurement or manufacturing of drugs or medications. Next, you can also work as medical representative or MR. Next, you can work in health clinics, NGOs, community health centers by checking the prescriptions, dispensing medicines, and give them advice and directions. Here, you should eh, become an health professional. How can you take the drug? How can the drug can be taken by the patient? What is the formula for drug? You should know about all of things in pharmacy. After completion of your D Pharma or diploma in pharmacy, you should go for higher studies like V Pharm. After your completion of V Pharm, you should go for M Pharm. Next, what I study to you. Subject to be studied to. What should I study to in future? In my channel, I will give information about three subjects of D Pharm course. First subject is pharmacognosy. Second subject is drugstore and business management. Third subject is pharmaceutical jurisprudence. The first one, pharmacognosy, is in your first year, and the second and third one, drugstore and business management and pharmaceutical jurisprudence, the both are in your second year. Thank you.